Son, I need to tell you something. I've lived a life full of mistakes, and I don't want you to follow the same path. There are choices a man makes that define him, and there are things a man must refuse, no matter how tempting. I want you to hear this. 48 times a man should say no. Say no to laziness. Say no to distractions that steal your focus. Say no to dishonesty, even when lying seems easier. Say no to people who put you down. Say no to envy of others' success. Say no to indulgence that harms your body. Say no to short-term pleasures over long-term goals. Say no to excuses that justify your failures. Say no to staying in your comfort zone. Say no to fear of responsibility. Say no to procrastination that delays your dreams. Say no to gossip and useless arguments. Say no to habits that weaken your mind or spirit. Say no to relationships that hold you back. Say no to doing what's easy instead of what's right. Say no to letting anger control your actions. Say no to fear of failure. Say no to settling for mediocrity. Say no to repeating the mistakes of the past. Say no to pride that blinds you. Say no to shortcuts that compromise your integrity. Say no to ignoring your health. Say no to laziness in learning. Say no to being unreliable or inconsistent. Say no to people who drain your energy. Say no to chasing approval from the wrong people. Say no to fear of standing alone. Say no to letting stress and pressure define you. Say no to unhealthy addictions. Say no to neglecting your self-discipline. Say no to ignoring your purpose. Say no to fear of hard work. Say no to envy, bitterness, and resentment. Say no to avoiding challenges that test you. Say no to fear of making tough decisions. Say no to ignoring your long-term vision. Say no to overindulgence in fleeting pleasures. Say no to excuses for not improving. Say no to letting others decide your worth. Say no to anything that keeps you from becoming the man you are meant to be. Son, I failed in ways I can't undo, but you can build yourself stronger. You can be disciplined. You can be free. Say no when it matters. Say yes to the life you want. And one day, you will look back and thank yourself for it.